Hi Chelsea, hope you had a good weekend. I just want to run through the some of the items on the daily list again. Okay, first of all, you highlighted a few products, so thanks for that. Um, so let's get started. So this one, the first product was a $12.95 purchase price. Um, Current price is about 26.31 plus 5.49. Again, you need to look at the last 3 months lowest price and calculate the profit based on that. So our lowest price here is, what is it, 1169, I think. Well, let's say 1424, 1420. Our purchase price is 12.95. Um, so I know you've sort of mentioned that um, the price is higher because the item was out of stock. I'd just like you to focus on the lowest price. Um, Calculate the profit based on the lowest price. Well, in this case, is 14. We'll say 1424 plus 5.49 shipping. So it's about $19 or $20. Um, Therefore, there's no profit. So we'll just run a quick. So our purchase price is 13.95, I think. 12.95. Sorry, and our price is 14.20 plus 5.49, so that's 19.69. So there's no profit. So I think I'm not sure like where the sort of confusion is. Maybe it's because the net profit that you're calculating is based on our current Amazon price. I'm happy to like change that so that you're calculating the profit based on the past 3 months lowest selling price. Um, but I'll send you an email, and let you sort of decide what you'd like to do, because I'm noticing that these products keep appearing. Um, so essentially, if if the product cannot make a profit at the lowest selling price, I don't want that product on the list. Okay, um, so this one, I think you've noticed that as well. Just basically, if you see the lowest price and there's no profit on it, don't include it on the list. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. Um, okay, so okay, I think this one was for further review, but I highlighted it red. 12.95. Okay, so to get the lowest price, 11.69, we need to we need to find out whether that's the lowest price including shipping or excluding shipping. To find that out, we have to go into the sellers. Okay, so this guy is adding 5.50 of shipping. So we'll make the assumption that we have to add $5.50 in shipping. 11.69 plus 5.50 is about $17.19, and we can't make a profit based on our purchase price of $12.95. So we don't need to run the calculation. So basically the same as before. Lowest selling price 11.69 plus 5.50. it's about $17.19. We can't make a profit based on like $12.95 purchase price, so I wouldn't include that on list again. Okay, this one. So let's. Okay, so it looks like Amazon. Your notes say Amazon is selling. Mm, okay, $15.03 plus $6.80 shipping. Um, so 6.15. Yeah, I don't. Amazon's been in and out of the listing. Our, let's find out what our price is. So our current on the current graph it's 1060. 10. So here, $10.60 is our price, but we need to find the actual seller who is selling for 1060. Okay, so this throws out. So it's 1060 plus $15 shipping. See that makes our data a little bit confusing because here it's sort of saying our price is about $21. So 1060 is actually, well, $21. So it's probably about $10 shipping. Um, 615 is our lowest price. Oh, Amazon's 10.99. What's our average rank? Oh, that's all right, 65,000. There's a lot of people selling this product. This is an interesting one. I'm not. Let's have a look at your numbers. 56% four sellers. If I buy two, I'll have to pay shipping because Barnes and Noble have a minimum order, like minimum order of $30 for free shipping. So I'm not going to buy it because the return will go below 50%, and I'm not sure of this actual graph. Looks like there's at $8.05, which is probably $18 because we add $10 shipping. There's a little, the rank is okay, but $18 on a purchase price of $9 isn't really enough. So that's why I'm not buying it. But like if this is a product that you're like, that's fine to include on the list. It's just a little bit tricky, and I'm just decided not to purchase it because I'm not sure we can get this sell like a selling price of about $22, because our lowest price is about, well, Amazon's been in at 10.99 and they, I know they include shipping, so other than that it's about $18, so that's why I've not decided to purchase. Okay, and last one, Lucky Vitamin. Okay, so you're not sure whether it's the right match. Let's have a look. Quest bar. Yeah, so um, 59.99. Oh, okay. I think this is an individual. This one's individual. So it's $2 for one of these small bars, 2 ounce bars. This one is um, so they're selling 36. So they're selling one of these big packets and three of these big packets of 12. So it's 36. Um, so it would be 36 times 2. So 70. yeah, $72 would be our cost. Yeah, so buy one get 25% off. So yeah, this won't add up based on, well, the fact that it's not, it has to be the exact match. Like we would have to find one of these big boxes and then purchase three of them. So yeah, this one isn't doesn't match. So yeah, that I would just disregard that one. Now again, just wanted to run through a couple of other ones that I've noticed on the list. Um, so this one was our purchase price was $24.99. Now our lowest price here is $29.99. So, or 24.67. So this item shouldn't be on the list because our lowest price is lower than our store price, or the same. So when you see that, I need you to calculate based on the lowest price. Now you've calculated based on the existing price, which is fine, like, because that's what the columns say, and it says 206% return. But I want you to calculate on the lowest price. Now I think I will change these columns because I think this is where the sort of confusion is. Where we've got our lowest price, our net profit. So I'll just change that net profit on lowest keeper price in past 3 months. So basically from now on, like, let's run through this example here. So okay, we do the graph. So you've got keeper lowest price $24.99. A bit slow. So keeper $24.99. So we'd put our sell price at $24.99. Our purchase price is $24.99. So our profit is -10. So then this would be -10, and obviously, I mean, it wouldn't even be on our list. So I'd like you to, from now on, do the net profit on the keeper lowest price. I think that's where the confusion is lying, because where you're calculating based on existing price, which is my instruction, but like, we look at the last 3 months keeper lowest price, and make if there's no profit, don't put it on the list. So I'd just like you to do that from now on, and I'm going to make another video on what I want you to look for going forward. So, but yeah, please continue to ask questions and highlight items for further analysis, because yeah, we just want to reduce the amount of red that we see here. Yeah, so there's a few here, like that one is the same. 1888 was the lowest price. Our purchase price is higher than our lowest price, so we're not going to buy that. So, but from now on, just calculate your profit based on this price. Yep. So yeah, thanks for your time. I'll do another video of what I want you to look for. Yeah. Have a good day. Bye.